Okay, so let's do this. Is number 2 on your review review sheet. Okay, so we are to actually solve this. Okay, so again, from the previous video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to break this up. Okay, I see a cubed and I see a squared. Okay, so I'm just going to break it up and say cos 2, 2x times cos 2x times the sine squared 2x dx. So all I did was just break it up. Okay, so again, I know the identity. The cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. Okay, I'm just going to solve for my cosine. Okay, so what that brings me is going to bring me here. So that's going to be 1 minus the sine squared 2x, okay, times our cosine, or I should say just sine squared 2x times the cosine 2x dx. Okay, that's all I did was just rearrange things. Okay, so let u equals sine 2x. Okay, and our du will be negative cosine 2x times 2. Okay, because you have to use the chain rule. So I'm going to rewrite the du happens to be negative 2 cosine 2x dx. Okay, and I'm going to bring, since I'm looking for, this is what I'm looking for in my integral, I'm looking for this cosine 2x dx. I need to rewrite this as du over 2, it's negative du over 2 equals cosine 2x dx. Okay, so this portion satisfies that portion of the integral. Okay, so now if I want to convert everything into u, okay, so I'm going to do now is I am going to have 1 minus the sine, I'm sorry, since I already chose my u to be my sine 2x, I'm going to get u squared. Okay, and when I do that, times another u squared, this one right here. Okay, and it's going to be my du over 2, the negative part. So I'm going to, okay, this is right here. You see that right here. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to take this part out. I'm going to take out the negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 from this part right here. Take it out. And that's going to give me 1 minus u squared times u squared times my du. Okay, so I'm good to go. So now what I can now solve, I can say, and I'm just going to expand this. So I'm going to say negative 1 over 2. It's going to be u squared, right, minus u to the 4th du. Going to get negative 1 over 2. It's going to be u 3 over 3 minus u 5 over 5 plus c. Okay, so you just go back and substitute into, and you're going to get negative 1 over 2. Our u was sine 2x, so that's, in this case, is going to be 1/6. Right? Well, let me just do it bit by bit. 3 over 3 minus sine phi over 2x over 5 plus c. If I take it a step further, I'm going to get negative 1 over 6 sine to the cube 2x minus 1 over 10 sine to the 5 2x plus c. This is your answer right here. Okay? I hope this helps. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you.